Ever needed an invoice from eBay but weren't sure how to get it? Whether it's for business, personal records, or just to double check your purchases, today I'll show you the easiest way to grab an invoice from eBay in 2025. First, log into your eBay account. Go to the website and enter your username and password. Can't remember your login? No worries. Just use the forgot password link to reset it. Once you're in, you'll land on your eBay dashboard where you can manage purchases, sales, and account settings. Next, move your cursor to the top right and click on the My eBay tab in Alpha Tau. From the dropdown, select Purchase History. This is where eBay keeps a record of all your purchases. Scroll through and find the item you need an invoice for. Once you've found it, click View Order Details on the right. This takes you to a page showing all the specifics of your transaction. Now, look for the View Printer Friendly link. Clicking this is the magic step. It generates a clean, organized version of your invoice that's easy to view or print. Once it's open, your invoice is ready. eBay will also send a copy to your email, so check your inbox or even your spam folder just in case. This makes it super easy to forward it to your accountant or keep it for your records. And that's it. With these simple steps, getting an invoice from eBay is quick, easy, and reliable. Whether you're filing taxes, managing expenses, or just keeping track of your purchases, having a proper invoice makes life so much simpler. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.